What's up, guys, man? I'm back. I'm finna give y'all 3 tips on what you should consider doing in 2021 to get your workouts going and your plans going, how you think they should be going. So if you really want to know what I'm finna say throughout this video with these 3 steps, just watch throughout the whole video. If you're new, comment, subscribe, like, leave me suggestions, leave me some feedback, leave me anything, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm just gonna get into that first step. Really the only thing that you need to do is just get a good plan, be consistent with something so you can see some results. That's the biggest thing that I think that people really don't really think of. The best thing to do is for you to get, for the first step, is for you to write down a goal, just 30 days, something short term, so you can reach it and actually see some results. You know what I'm saying? So just for me, I tell you this, go get a notebook or a little notepad or something and write down your goal. And and as you going day 2, day 3 on your goal, so you can keep up with it and actually, have something to look forward to the next day. I would just tell you to write that down. Then whenever you get to day 3 or 4 out of day 30, just say it's day 30, you day 5 out of 30, you're gonna be like, okay, well, I did it each day, you know what I'm saying? So as you going along and the farther you progress, the more you're gonna be wanting to do more things along your journey. So that's step 1 of what I say to do when you trying to get right, when you're trying to get everything going in the right direction. For step number 2. All right, guys, man, I'm back. Sorry, my phone died, and I just had to get a haircut. But now I'm finna talk to y'all about step 2. And really, I feel like step 2, once y'all get over this hump of step 2, is really going to be y'all best way to have success and seeing results while working out. Instead of just doing 50% of it, you can have the other 50%. So this is step 2 out of 3. All right, guys, man, I'm in a gas station, you know what I'm saying? But basically what I want to tell y'all is, you know what I'm saying, when you have a goal of working out and doing all this stuff, you know what I'm saying, all this, you know what I'm saying, this ain't, stay away from chips. One thing is chips. 2 things is pops. You know what I'm saying? You want to stay away from those 2 things. You know what I'm saying? Pops. You know what I'm saying? I know that it may seem like, you know what I'm saying, it's good for you. It tastes good, I know. But at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, you just can't have it. So that right there, guys, is step 2, man. Stay away from snacks. All right, love y'all. All right, guys, man. Step number 3 is, you see this, how beautiful it is, man, outside, man. Step number 3, make sure you go out and get some sunlight and just be active. It don't matter what you do, you know what I'm saying? Just go out, get that good sunlight, man. Do some jumping jacks, just walk, you know what I'm saying? Just feel the sun. I know, it's, it kind of cloudy, the sun going in and out, but like I said, all in all, it's still a beautiful day for you to go outside, go do something. Whenever you off, or you can catch some sunlight, just go out there and just enjoy it, man. But I hope you stay and watch every step, you know what I'm saying, with 3 steps. I'm gonna leave all the step time in the description box below. But until then, man, you already know what it is. 793 gang. I'm out.